TMV820-400 membrane series. This new low-energy reverse osmosis membrane is designed for seawater. Toray's reverse osmosis membrane technology applies decades of automated manufacturing and precision to ISO 9001 to maintain product quality. State-of-the-art cross-linked fully aromatic polyamide composite membranes produce high-quality permeate and robust membrane chemistry to improve performance and extend membrane life. Membrane area is 80 by 40 inches with a nominal 99.8% salt rejection. Applications: seawater desalination, high salinity feedwater, industrial wastewater, high recovery reverse osmosis systems. Products have been manufactured at various facilities in the United States that are NSF certified for potable water applications. And they have been assembled in Monterrey, Nuevo Leon at Productos Polo. For more information on the Alpha system for reverse osmosis, please visit www.productospolo.com. We are here to serve you.